What if I told you that one AI tool could literally do 8 hours of repetitive tasks? In just 3 minutes? No code. No tech background. Just drag, drop, and done. Today, I'm showing you exactly how this tool works and why it's a game changer. The tool is called Bardeen, and it automates tasks you probably didn't even know could be automated. Think, copying leads from LinkedIn to Google Sheets. Auto-scheduling Zoom calls. Scraping websites. Sending follow-up emails without lifting a finger. It works inside your browser, using AI and simple automations that run while you sleep.
Here's what I did. I used Bardeen to pull new leads from LinkedIn search results, copy them into a spreadsheet, and then auto-send a message. Manually, this takes me about 2 hours a day. With Bardeen? 2.5 minutes. I even set it to run on a schedule, so I can focus on other things. The best part? There are pre-built playbooks you can use with one click. No setup stress.
If you're in sales, marketing, freelancing, job hunting, or just hate repetitive tasks, Bardeen can literally buy back your time. You can even train it to combine multiple actions, scrape data, clean it, and auto-email a summary. And here's the kicker, Bardeen is 100% free for most users. No credit card. No catches. If you want to try it, I've linked it in the description below. Like and subscribe if you're into time-saving tools and no-fluff tutorials. More tools coming soon on Smart Neural, and trust me, you won't want to miss tool number 4.